Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I will give you details, information about a very unique, a very in-demand career, that is Power BI Executive or Power BI Developer or Power BI Specialist, these kind of careers or job roles. Now, if you're watching my video for the first time, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon also. Now, Power BI is a tool. It is also tool or software or web applications also you can call it. Power BI is a tool that is developed by Microsoft. Now, why this Power BI tool is used? Let us understand. This tool is used in organizations to visualize their data. What do you mean by data? Data is the information collected by the company, by any organization. This information or this data is used to make any decisions in the company. For example, any offers they want to launch, any new campaign, marketing campaign a company wants to run. On the basis of the data only, these kind of marketing decisions, marketing activities, sales activities, growth hacking, growth activities are planned by the higher management of a company. Data can be in any format. It can be in an Excel sheet, it can be in a PDF format, it can be in a Word document or a database, or it can be an image also. So information is collected from this data and that information is used for the growth of an organization. Now, usually just imagine if you see a data, lakhs and lakhs of columns in a Excel sheet. In an Excel sheet, very huge data, Excel sheet with lot of columns and rows and all. Will you be able to fetch, will you be able to get any information from that Excel sheet data? No, usually no, right? So what this data visualization tools like Power BI, what they do is, they take the information and they convert the information into beautiful, colorful graphs, pie diagrams or bar charts, or these kind of graphs, beautiful graphs are created using that data. By seeing the graphs only, anybody can say, okay, this month we are getting more profit, this is what is happening with our company, this is what is happening with our sales, and this kind of information the higher management of any organization gets, and on that basis they make any decisions. Growth planning and marketing activities, sales activities, they plan accordingly. Now, for that data visualization purpose, Power BI tools are used. Now, if you want to start your career in Power BI, what are the skills that you need to learn or you should have? Now, I will read out what are the skills that you need. Definitely Power BI looks and works very much like advanced Excel. So if you have good knowledge on Excel sheet or spreadsheets, that will be an added advantage. So advanced MS Excel knowledge or skills is required if you want to start your career in Power BI. The second skill, very important skill that is required, is data modeling strategies. Because Power BI is a visualization tool, data modeling strategies knowledge you should acquire. The third skill is MS Excel has formulas. I mean to say advanced MS Excel needs the candidates who work on MS Excel, they will write some formulas. So because MS Excel works on formulas, Power BI also has a very similar feature, and in Power BI we write in DAX formulas. Data analysis expressions formulas are written in Power BI. So DAX formulas knowledge also if you have, that will be an added advantage. Power Query knowledge, how to write queries. So these kind of Power Query knowledge is required. SQL query writing depends on project to project. If you have to fetch the data from a database, definitely if you have SQL queries knowledge, then that will be an added advantage. Dashboard tools to make interactive reports. Interactive reports means very nicely understandable reports. So dashboard tools knowledge also you need to have. These are the normal technical skills, I would say, a Power BI, a candidate who want to start their career in Power BI requires. Now, what kind of companies usually hire for Power BI skilled professionals? Companies like Deloitte, Dell, Capgemini, HCL Technologies, Infosys, Wipro, and definitely Microsoft. These are the companies which keep on very frequently they hire Power BI experts. Now, Power BI data visualization tool. Is this the only tool in the market? No, there are many competitors also. Competitors like Tableau, ClickView, these are also few of the other data visualization tools. Now, if you want to start your career and grow in your career as a data visualization expert, Power BI you should learn. At the same time, you can also learn Tableau also and ClickView also. So when you are approaching to company, when you are going for interview, if the company HR or the interviewer sees, checks in your resume that this candidate knows Power BI also, Tableau also and ClickView also, your candidature will be given more preference. You will be given more preference because this person has these many tools, knowledge. So that definitely you will be one step ahead of your competition. Now, in Power BI, who are eligible, who can do this course? Definitely any graduate. I will not say that only computer science graduate can do Power BI and they can start their career. I will not say that. I will say every graduate can can start their career in Power BI. BSc, BCom, BA, BTech, any graduation, BA. BCA also, but only thing you should remember that you should have 15 years of career 15 years of continuous education in regular mode. I won't say distance mode, but regular mode. If you have 15 years of education, continuous education from first class to degree or BTech, then it will be 15 years or 16 years. So if that is continuous and in regular mode, then you are able to start your career in Power BI. Very nice career. Once you start the career as Power BI, what is the next step? Definitely you can become a data analyst. You can go into data jobs. I mean to say data analyst, data engineer. You can, if you like coding and all, you can go into machine learning. So your career graph will be like this. So it is a very good career, and Power BI developer, expert, specialist, analyst, executive, these are the different roles given to the skilled Power BI professionals. Where can you learn Power BI? There are so many training institutes, not only in Hyderabad, but of course every city, metros in India. But if you want to learn Power BI from online, Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, Unacademy, these kind of websites are definitely there. You can learn from these online platforms also, and you can grow and excel in this career. So if you like this video, please share this video with your friends also. Click the like button. If you have any questions, you can put down your questions in the comment section. Only video viewers, please subscribe. And this is my English channel, Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel called Pashams, very active Pashams Telugu channel. Do check my Telugu channel also. This was all about this video. My name is Sushmita Madhu, and Namaste.